All right, so we got a shadow trade to talk about today.
All right, good morning, everyone. This is Amomi Olajide, a friend here, and I just want to give you a sneak peek into one of our trading sessions that we do on the Iron Mastery Academy. Like I said, sneak peek. So this might be some form of maybe some 5-minute video for you to get a taste of what the Iron Mastery Academy is about. This is just one of the benefits that we have within the Iron Mastery Academy, a way of them teaching us and showing us how to trade. And here we are on a live session with an educator, with a professional trader, Patrick Kenny, and he is phenomenal. He's awesome. So he's going through a trade that he wants to analyze right now. So let me not take that away. I want to listen in as well. So please enjoy and leave me a comment in the comment area below if this fascinates you, if this is something you want to learn more about, and we can talk thereafter. Okay? Enjoy your morning. Bye.
You think we'd rather be buying or selling? Yeah, if we are bullish, we'd rather be buying. So what you're about to see is taken right out of the sequence book, favorite session, full sequence training, and sequence training. There's two trainings on what I'm about to talk about. So just as a reference, that gold trade that we took is the basic, I mean, it's based off of the exact same philosophy we're about to use for Euro Pound. So this is on Euro Pound. So let me draw out what I see. I see a low on Euro Pound here. Okay, and we'll get rid of these circles in a minute. I just want to draw out first what I see. The market rallies off that low, hits this point, which is obviously has some sellers, pulls back to here, hits this level, which obviously has buyers, rallies again, and I notice that it starts to wick, causing a higher high on the shorter time frames, on the lower time frames. It starts to wick to those levels and then pull back. Now, when we talk about that wick action, we're often taught about manipulation in the market. After wicks happen, what typically happens? A little bit of a pullback. A lot of people like to see these wicks and they sell it, which is totally fine. But we are anticipating continuation trade. We're looking to buy the market again, just like gold. This is identical to gold. So that's the first step, is understanding this is where we start. This is all out of the sequence book, by the way. Where we start is always classified as our origin. This high is a 0.1. This low is a 0.2. Perfect. And then, as you guys know, where does 0.3 get to? Anybody really study this in my book, sequence training? Or not my book, but in my course, sequence training? Did anybody really go through this? Where would 0.3 be at? Anybody know? Gold star of the day for sure. Above 0.1, okay, you haven't studied. Anybody else? There we go. Same distance as 1 to 2, kinda. It's technically from 0 to 1, origin to 1. Let's see, anybody else? No, I didn't tease a book. I didn't tease a book. I said the word book. I already have one though. My advanced trading book. All right. So some of you guys were getting along the lines. We grab our Fibonacci extension tool, as you guys know, exact same way we did for gold. And that helps us give us an exact level at the 100 level, the 1. And that's our maximum target. Our minimum targets are at the 61.8, as you guys know. So that gives us 2 target points now. This is all based off the daily bullish time frame. So now all we do is we crunch our time back hourly, and we start looking for reasons for entry. So if I go to the 1 hour, I'm now zooming in on the 1 hour. What do you guys notice on the 1 hour? Well, what I notice is the market has hit a high and it started to pull back. And we are literally doing the same thing in the opposite direction on the 1 hour. We have a big origin. We have a 1, which is right here. We have a 2. Where do you guys think we enter? Another pop quiz. Where would we enter? Hopefully you guys now pick up on this and can grab this a little bit quicker. Where do we enter? Where do we enter? You enter at 0.3, of course, starting to get it. Origin, 1, 2, 3. How do we measure 3? We do the same thing that we just did, where we grab our Fibonacci.
Now, I don't know if you pick up on this a little earlier. Right now on this live streaming, we're having over 600 people from all over the world in this training right now. I don't know if you caught that. So we're waiting for you too to get on this training, to get on this skill and learn this skill that will free you and grant you time freedom, money freedom. We're gonna talk later. I need to listen to my teacher right now. Let's talk. Let's listen in.
Here, not the price, but what level? The 0.786, the 1, the 1.236, or the 1.618. What level do we put our stop loss on my swing trades? Does anybody know? Anybody been studying? I'll go back to gold in a little bit. Like I said, it's not an official trade setup. I said if you want, you can buy gold on that pullback entry. I'll go look at it in a little bit. Let me finish this one. I hadn't even given you guys, for the pullback, people, entry price, stop, target, anything. So if you guys are already in, you're going to have to manage your own trade for a little bit before I give you an official trade numbers. Where's we stop? Where do we put our stop? Good job, 1.6. Yep. Good job, good job, good job. Yep, 1.618. We put it a little bit below the 1.618, as you guys know. Say 0.896. And that shows us our definite risk. So entry price is 0.9. Stop price is 0.9. 0.896, sorry, 0.896. Okay, and then here's the unique thing with these positions. Our target 1 is already reading a 2.5 risk reward ratio. Target 2's a, what is that, 1 to 9? 1 to 6 risk reward ratio. It's not really a swing trade. It's more of a scalp because you're only at a 40 pip risk. Okay, it's only a 40 pip risk for a 243 pip reward on the full. Okay, so we have target 1, that's a 100 pip target. Target 2 is 243 pips. So let me chisel everything up here before we get the full numbers. All right, so this will be a shadow trade, so you'll get an alert later for it, but this is euro pound.
See, so
Buy limit.
I'm about cutting
The buy limit's at 0.9.
I don't know if you're a day trader already. This will be like a bonus for you.
Stop loss is at 0.896.
This will be like a bonus for you to take on this morning, but if
TP1 is at
you need to get on this.
0.9102.
This. All right.
Or actually, it could be at 0.91. Sorry, 0.91.
Yes. So this is going live right now. That's a shadow, like a trade idea being posted on the DeLorean application. So that's a sneak peek that I want you to get this morning. And if you want to know more about this, please give me, you leave a message down below and let me know, and I will give you the full gist, the full source, and for you to begin to benefit from what
All right, there we go.
enjoying in the DeLorean.
There's the parameters. If you guys go click this little bubble on your screen, says
Academy, and I cannot wait to see you on the inside. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.